Blizzard paralyzes Gulf Coast communities with record-breaking snow. That's from Fox Weather. The report described the events as, quote, rare and unbelievable. Question: would a better description be engineered and unnatural? The Fox report continues. The storm prompted the National Weather Service to issue the first ever blizzard warning for southwestern Louisiana and southeastern Texas. From NASA.gov, southern states frozen over. The storm dumped record snowfall on the region. Florida sees heaviest snowfall in state's history. From AccuWeather, Florida beats Alaska seasonal snow after Gulf Coast snowstorm. A snowstorm of historic proportions walloped the Gulf Coast, delivering travel-snarling snow from Texas to the Carolinas and breaking records that have stood for more than a century. Preliminary damage estimates were 14 to 17 billion. 14 to 17 billion in damages. Does that qualify as winter weather warfare? The AccuWeather report continues. Rumbles of rare thunder snow echoed near Lafayette, Louisiana as heavy snow blanketed the region. Question: are the climate engineers utilizing patented processes of chemical ice nucleation cloud seeding on thunderstorms? You decide. From NOLA.com, what do warm Gulf temps have to do with the snow in Louisiana? Question mark. Here's the honest answer to that headline question. The record warm Gulf of Mexico supplied the atmospheric moisture flows for the climate engineers to utilize patented processes of chemical ice nucleation cloud seeding. Translation: engineered winter weather warfare. While blizzards were hitting the Gulf Coast, above freezing temperatures with rain in regions of Alaska, Greenland, Iceland, and Siberia. What's wrong with this picture? Welcome to Engineered Earth.